You're a nobody, but you are thinking of starting a YouTube channel to be somebody, or thinking or pivoting as the world is evolving. Worry less, because I have the solution here in this video on the main niche you need as a beginner to succeed. And the juicy part is that this YouTube automation niche are exploding at the moment and are AI-based. Stick around, because I'm not just going to review channels growing on this trend. I'm also going to break down exactly how you can create similar videos and skyrocket your own faceless YouTube channel in no time. First, we'll dive into how to identify a profitable faceless niche, just like these channels. Then I'll guide you step by step through creating captivating videos that can grab attention and keep viewers hooked. Alright, grab a cup of coffee or tea, get comfy, and let's jump into this step-by-step guide. The first thing I'll show you is how to use the search bar effectively. Let's start by typing in AI trailer and hitting enter. Once we have the results, we'll click on this option. It's like a magic button that helps us zero in on the channels with the most potential. When this window pops up, you'll see a range of options to fine-tune your search. Let's break it down. First, choose the format you want to focus on. Are you thinking about YouTube Shorts, or do you prefer long-form videos? For this tutorial, I'm selecting long-form content. Next, set the subscriber count range. This is crucial. Start by selecting 1,000 subscribers as the minimum and 40 to 50,000 as the maximum. Why? This range helps us find channels that are still in their growth phase but have already proven they can attract an audience. Makes sense, right? Once that's set, scroll down to the video views section. I'm going to leave this unchanged for now because I want to get a broader set of results. Now, here's where it gets really important: adjusting the video uploaded filter. This step ensures that the niche you're diving into isn't oversaturated and still has plenty of growth opportunities. I recommend setting the time frame to the past 6 months. Take a moment to check out this channel with few thousand subscribers. Just 3 weeks ago, they posted a video that has already surpassed 2.2 million views. Incredible, right? Now compare that to this second channel, which has around 10,000 subscribers. About a month ago, they posted a video that garnered over 1 million views. That's wild. And if we look at this third channel with only 1,000 subscribers, their video from 3 months ago has thousands of views. This proves one thing: the AI trailer niche still has massive potential. If smaller channels can pull in numbers like these, imagine what you could achieve. And in just a minute, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like these. Before we dive into the how, let's take a closer look at these channels to uncover what's really working for them. First, look at this channel. They've uploaded only 24 videos, yet they've racked up over 3 million views. The creator is from India, and their latest video, uploaded just a few days ago, already has thousands of views, which you would like to have in your channel as well. That's mind-blowing for such a small number of uploads. But let's not stop there. Let's see how much this channel has earned. After researching, I found that this channel has generated over $100,000 in just the past 30 days. The second channel, this one has 9,000 subscribers and just 17 uploads. Their recent video brought in about 1 million views, and that surge likely helped them gain most of their current subscribers. Let's break it down step by step. First, go to YouTube and search for a movie trailer you want to use as inspiration. Click on one that catches your eye, go full screen, and take screenshots of the most striking scenes. Aim for at least 10 to 15 images. Next, use ChatGPT to help describe the images and generate a prompt for Leonardo AI. Head over to Leonardo AI and click Image Creation. Now generate, and voila, the AI will produce your images. This process is how I created the visuals. Once your images are ready, it's time to turn them into a video. For this, you can use an AI tool using Polo AI, a fantastic tool that can convert images into videos, create consistent characters and other exciting stuffs. Upload your images to Polo AI, add a prompt if needed, and choose your desired video length. The final step is editing the video. You can use any editing software, but I recommend CapCut because it's free and user-friendly. And there you have it. That's how you can create stunning AI trailer videos.